50,000 here. Yep, this is 110. Yep.
Maybe this one.
This one?
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hello. Thank you.
Please. Where you from, sir?
Japan.
Japan.
Yeah.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Whoa. You Japanese so well.
ちょっとだけ。ちょっと。
一人だけ、ちょっとだけ。
ちょっとだけ。てめえね。
Oh, thank you. You too.
バイ。
Bye bye.
Oh my gosh. my gosh. So this one is coffee tree. This one Robusta coffee. Yeah, Robusta coffee, it is big leaf, small bean. The bean, the green color still young. The luwak is nocturnal animal, so they are deep in the net and sleeping time there. There are some fruit like banana, papaya, and coffee bean. They eat coffee bean, go to the tree, and then eat the best coffee bean, the red color, with the suck and swallow. The poo from the animal, yeah, come out like this. This one before we wash.
I see.
Yeah. After that we roasting. Yeah, we roasting around 30 minutes until dark like this.
Okay.
Yeah. After we grind it, until we have the powder. Yeah. And try it.
Eat.
Yeah. Yeah. And here we have some steak.
Thank you.
We have 14 of product. This I give you free for the tasting.
Okay.
Yeah, later my friend give you some taster ya. Yeah.
Ginger tea.
Only you can.
Ya, saya juga punya tabung gitu ya. Koko. Ya udah excited nih, dia ngeliat banyak kali ini.
That's called luwak coffee.
Dua packaging, satu yang sugar, satu yang without.
Маленький.
Luwak coffee maybe? You want luwak coffee? Yeah. Turmeric tea.
Ya apa-apa.
Boleh, skip lagi.